The evolution of mail-order catalogs, a history of retail revolution. The mail-order catalog, a staple of American consumer culture for over a century, has played a pivotal role in shaping the nation's retail landscape. From humble beginnings as simple price lists to the visually stunning publications of today, mail-order catalogs have adapted to changing times, reflecting the evolving tastes and preferences of consumers. The roots of the mail-order catalog can be traced back to the late 19th century, when advancements in printing technology and transportation made it possible to distribute printed materials to a wide audience. Early catalogs were primarily focused on agricultural supplies, clothing, and household goods. However, as the 20th century progressed, mail-order catalogs expanded their offerings to include a wider range of products from automobiles to electronics. One of the key factors driving the growth of the mail-order industry was the rural population. With limited access to brick-and-mortar stores, rural residents turned to mail-order catalogs as a convenient way to purchase goods. The Sears, Roebuck and Company catalog, often referred to as the Wish Book, became a cultural icon, offering a wide variety of products at affordable prices. The mid-20th century marked a period of significant innovation in the mail-order industry. The introduction of color printing and more sophisticated catalog designs made it possible to create visually appealing and engaging publications. Additionally, the development of credit cards and installment plans made it easier for consumers to purchase items on credit, further fueling the growth of the mail-order market. However, the rise of e-commerce in the late 20th and early 21st centuries posed a significant challenge to the mail-order industry. Online retailers offered consumers a wider selection of products, faster delivery times, and the ability to shop from the comfort of their own homes. As a result, many traditional mail-order catalogs faced declining sales and were forced to adapt or close. Despite the challenges posed by e-commerce, mail-order catalogs have not disappeared entirely. Some companies have successfully transitioned to a hybrid model, offering both online and catalog shopping options. Others have focused on niche markets, such as specialty foods or luxury goods, where the tactile experience of browsing a catalog can still be appealing to consumers. In conclusion, the mail-order catalog has played a vital role in the history of American consumer culture. From its humble beginnings as a simple price list to its transformation into a visually stunning publication, the mail-order catalog has adapted to changing times and reflected the evolving tastes and preferences of consumers. While the rise of e-commerce has presented significant challenges, the mail-order catalog continues to have a place in the retail landscape, offering a unique and nostalgic shopping experience.